Hello and welcome back to Microsoft Excel Course Advanced. Hope you all are doing good. This is part 15, comparing and merging workbook. So in this part we will see how we can compare and merge different versions of the same shared workbook. Plus we will also talk about co-authoring features, that is sharing our file on the cloud itself, which is a new feature which is available on Microsoft 365. When we talk about sharing of a workbook, this is a workbook which has been shared with others. It's on a network location and others are accessing the same data. When we have different versions of the same shared workbook and we want to compare all the changes made by the different users in a single file, then we make use of compare and merge workbook feature of Excel. Say this is my shared workbook and I have created a copy of it and others are working on it, so we can merge them together to compare the changes. We have this, once we merge the workbook, we have the same facility of tracking and reviewing the changes, whether we want to accept or reject the changes. So for this we make use of the compare and merge workbook option, or the tool or the command which is present over here on my quick access toolbar. You can see a dot over here. If I hover over it, you can see compare and merge workbook. By default it is not available on any of these tabs or ribbon and not even on the quick access toolbar. You have to go to file, options over here, and click on quick access toolbar and select all commands from this list. You can choose the compare and merging workbook option and then you can add it to the quick access toolbar. I already have this on my quick access toolbar, but I can show you over here. If I scroll down a little bit, let's see, you have the compare and merge workbook option over here. You can select it and click on add. I already have this on the quick access toolbar, and click on OK. It will be available. I already have a copy of this shared workbook on the network location. Now an important thing to keep in mind is only copies of the same shared workbook which are saved in the same network location and in the same folder can be merged together. If you have the files on different location on different folders, it will not be merged together. So how to merge it? You have the option over here on the quick access toolbar. Click on it. You will see a dialog box. Select files to merge into the current workbook. This is a shared ABC and a copy of it is shared XYZ. Select it and click on OK. You have no changes, no new changes present to merge from shared XYZ to. Click on OK. No problem, you don't have any changes, so it is not showing any changes. Let's see, let's open that file XYZ. This is my XYZ file. Let's make some changes over here. Let's quickly make some changes. Say very good over here. Let's make it excellent, and that's it. Save the changes. Our changes are being saved in shared XYZ. Let me close this file. This is shared ABC, from where we want to compare and merge. Again, let's click on compare and merge. This is the file or workbook which we want to compare and merge, and click on OK. Now here you can see the changes. These two cells over here, excellent, where a dot is being placed, excellent and very good. If I hover over there, you can see change cell J5 from good to excellent, date and time and by whom it has been changed, and over here also a change has been done. So both the files are both the workbooks are the same, they have the data. I have made changes over there in the second workbook. I've compared and merged it together. Under your review tab, you have the track changes. You can highlight the changes. These options are still present for you. You can click on this, click on OK. Here you can see the changes which were being made. I want to accept it. This is the second change which we did in share XYZ. It's been merged over here. If you want, you can accept or reject this. These two options are also present. Let's accept it. Now this is the final copy. You may have multiple version, multiple copies. Changes were made there. I have merged them all together on this particular Shade ABC workbook using the compare and merge workbook. So in this part we have seen how we can share, and once our file is being shared, how we can compare and merge it together and track the changes which are being made. Plus we have also seen, if we do not have the compare and merge workbook command or the tool available, how we can add it to the quick access toolbar, or we can always add it to any of the tabs. In part 16 we will see, if we have a workbook with us, how we can add comments and how we can edit and delete those comments which we have added on a worksheet data. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.